Good evening friends, welcome back to my competitive math session. So today I am going to explain second part of coordinate geometry. In first part I have explained all the concepts related to the equation of a straight line, and this is most famous part for NDA and IIT, that is common syllabus. In circle I will explain you first the standard equation of circle, then the general equation of circle and conditions for circle. So first of all I will explain what is circle first. So circle is a collection of many points, set of, you can also say set of all the points that is at a fixed distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is called center, and this fixed distance is called radius. So what is circle? Circle is a set of all the points that is in a same plane and which are at a fixed distance from the fixed point, and this fixed point is called circle, and this fixed distance is called radius. And if the coordinate of radius will be h, k, and radius is r, coordinates of center will be h, k, and radius is r, then the standard equation will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square, where h and k is the coordinates of center and r is the radius of circle. If the center will be at origin, that means like this. Here center is at the origin, that is coordinate of origin will be 0, 0. If you will put the value in this equation, you will get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to r square. That means x square plus y square equals to r square. This is the standard equation of a circle when its center will be at the origin, that means its coordinate is 0, 0. Now general equation of circle. What is the general equation of circle? I will solve every questions on every concept. Question second is general equation. General equation of